Okay, it's been 3 weeks since we did the world's mossiest lawn. It's been under fleece and now we're on a heat wave, so can't leave the fleece on anymore. Would like to have done another week. Going to be very quick. Under this conifer hedge, it'll be very sparse and there will be patches. It's 650 square metres, let's be realistic. Unkept land for probably about 7-8 years. So let's get the fleece off. See what the Boston Seeds Premier looks like. A lot of peg pulling. Let's go and I'll come back and show you what we've got. Good or bad, I'll show you. It won't be a full lawn, but fingers crossed. Let's go. Wowzers, I think that is amazing for 3 weeks. Really happy with that. A little bit of thin patches over there, but I do my under and over. Remember, that's my catchphrase, seed under and over. So the under is coming. Tiny little shoots, they're behind. But really happy. Round the pond, a little bit sparse, some sparse areas. Under the conifer hedge, no chance. But I'm actually quite surprised that it did fill in to a certain extent. So really happy. Going to get the mower on. Let's have a little look with the mower, get it on there. My God, I'm so pleased. Well done to the owners here for watering this, because it's been a nightmare to do. So I'll give it a little flick with the lawnmower, just take the tips off and get some seaweed on. And then I'll show you it. So let me know what you think. Okay, so that is the end of this video, world's mossiest lawn. So for 3 weeks, I'm extremely happy with that. I think I took about 30 bags of ton bags of moss out of this lawn. I won't be doing it again. I'm not doing world's mossiest lawn videos. It's the last one, and I'm not doing big lawns anymore. It's just too much, especially mossy ones, right? 30 bags. Leave off. Right, so for 3 weeks, incredible. This will fill in. Done a moisture probe on that. Where the grass is greener, we've got water in the subsoil, so we're bending the needle. That's good. We just need to give it a flick of water because the root is very shallow. So if we keep that flicked over, we're in a heat wave now. Get out, give your lawn a flick, cool it down with cool season grasses, right? So really happy. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Let me know what you think for 3 weeks. If that doesn't come, I'll just spike it, drop a bit of seed, bit of root and grow over the top. 10 days fixed, but I want to look after what I've got. I've got 90%. I'm really happy actually. I can't believe I even had a patch. You know, the grass has come over there. That pH will be through the roof. That needs lime granules. Not too much, but you've got to control the soil. Get a pH tester and that'll fix that. Anyway, I'm rambling, so hope you liked it. Let us know what you think. Boston Seeds Premier, Fremantle and Son, enhanced soil, 3 weeks, 650 square meters, hand watering with the worst flow rate ever. Water board need to sort it out. They charge us enough for water. Give us a decent flow rate, will you? So yeah, love that. That was the Ego with the pull along roller. Not too bad really. So see you at the next one. Thanks for all the love, guys. Peace. There we go. Here comes the thatch now. So we're into the soil. Just got to gently feather this off. And that's it. Not so spongy underfoot. So let's crack on with that. Okay, just to give you an idea, world's mossiest lawn. This is going to be collected. This is on the farm. This will be next year's compost, but look at the size of that. Yeah, that is 25 bags. That's about 3 foot high over a big area. So just to give you an idea, look at that. Yeah. And then the thatch. So that's incredible. That's a big pile of junk, right? Never again am I going to do one of these lawns. Never again. But Boston Seeds Premier on its way. Let's go.